Hey YouTube, it's me, Caleb Vacuums, and can't really see it, but here is, I told Phantom Vacuum Fan that I got it. Here is a Hoover Z700. So, I purchased at my local flea market yesterday for 15 bucks. So let's move some stuff out of the way. The only thing I hate about this is this little stupid cord door on it. It's extremely a pain in the ass. Get the cord back in. One other thing I like about this too, there's a self-cleaning filter on it, as you can see. With the headlights. Oh, they just shine out like that. The filter needs replaced because it kind of smells, but let's release the pedal. It's doing a pretty darn good job. It's only in medium speed. It's set off low. Oh, it's carpet adjustment. Here's gentle brush. Let's see if it picks up if any. The thing I get Hoover props for on this one is the self-cleaning filter. Very good suction too, so pain in the butt to pull this thing out. So, put this back in. It has great hose suction. You can pull the hose out there or here. Minimal hose suction. You just take the hose and move it up through there and up to here. Tighten it. Then you can just release this little clip here. You have a hose that you can also extend up, and then I can reach up like for the ceiling. Yeah, I took that off so I can get as much light as possible out of it. You just lock it. I like letting the handle down. One other thing about this thing that I like, is you can pull this handle and it goes into the crouch mode. So now pretty sure the brush should be off. Yes, it's in crouch mode. So now, it's a canister vacuum. You should have a little more hose suction, which you really don't, because it needs a little work. Here's your instructions on it. Then, simply to uncrouch it, pull this little lever, set it back up into the lock position, and it is now back in normal position. So now, oh, here, it's heavy. It is heavy. Here's your brush rolls. Let's reach up here and hit power. There you go. Can't really see if the brush roll is turning. Here comes the hose up and through here. So, brush it back down here. Turn it off. Now, the only thing I hate about this, well, other than having to probably go out and buy another filter or figure something out, but I hate how Hoover did the cord. So now that time it actually closed quick, and you can see. I also just got that. It's a Shark, as you know. It's a Shark, what is it? Power Pet. Just needs, I need to clean the tank out on it yet. And then I also got an Infinity vacuum cleaner, which still sits in my living room, and then here's my Bissell Pro Heat 12 amps. Actually, Mario fan, if you want, I'll see if I can pull the motor out of there and send that to you. So, let me know, because considering you'll probably see this video. So, just putting the offer out there for you. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.